Shoe review. 1, 2, 1, 2, it's the shoe review.
Hey guys, it's your girl Megan Hasham. Today I am talking Air Force Ones.
Forces, AF1s, Uptown slaves.
I think of myself as a bit of a sneakerhead. I'm not hardcore like some, but I do enjoy my kicks. And I do a few reviews here. Can you believe I have never owned a pair of Air Force Ones?
Say what?
I mean, they are a staple. If you're a sneaker person, you need a pair of Air Force Ones. I mean, they're like a shell toe, they're like a Converse, they're like something you need as a sneaker person. I finally cut myself a pair and I'm gonna do a little video on it. So I know we all know about Air Force Ones. They are classic. They've been around a long time. They were born in 1982, so they're over 30 years old. Yeah, I go way back. I was around when they came out. So I was a little kid, but I was around. I was also around for Nelly's song. Big boy stomping in my Air Force One. Air Force One refers to a U.S. Air Force aircraft carrying the president. The official air traffic control sign is Air Force One. So that's the plane the President of the United States is on, Air Force One. They're named after that. Classic sneakers. You can't go wrong. They're super versatile. I mean, they go with anything. They're a nice, clean, white pair of sneakers. They go with jeans. They go with leggings. They go with dresses, even for girls. I would wear this with a cute little skirt or dress. They go with big jeans. They go with tight jeans. I feel like they're not too clunky and they're not too sleek. They're kind of in between. And so they kind of go with any look. They're a really nice casual pair of shoe. Originally designed by Bruce Kilgore, they debuted as high-top sneakers, but then when they became super popular, it led to more colorways, different materials, and then they brought the mid-tops and the low versions. AF1s were the first style to be retroed by Nike. I find them a little flat and a bit clunky compared to some of the sneakers I usually wear. There's not a huge amount of support in there, but a lot of casual sneakers are like that. I mean, they're comfy enough. Leather, it's got the Nike swoosh here on the side, and Nike Air is written on the back here. Metal plate saying AF1 on each lace here, and of course the iconic dots on the toe, them little dots in the toe. A lot of people like to wear them kind of loose. If you do them up, there actually is a pretty good lockdown. Kobe wore them a lot and brought them to popularity. Rappers, famous celebrities, everyone. Nelly sang a whole song about them. Some of you youngins might not know about Nelly and his song. Look it up, Air Force Ones by Nelly. Everyone goes crazy about the creases, so they do get creases here, I guess, and it sucks. People don't want to wear them once they get the creases. I saw a few videos actually on how to get rid of the creases. I don't know if they're legit or what. I guess I'll see once I've creased these up. As soon as you get Air Force Ones, everyone's like, don't crease them. How do you not crease them though? I mean, I'm not gonna walk like flat-footed and just not. I mean, sneakers are meant to be worn, as I've said before. They fit a little bigger than most shoes. I think I got pretty much my size here. They're a little loose on me, my actual size. I didn't know about this going down a whole size in these or half a size. So just beware if you're buying them for the first time and you don't know, you're like a newbie like me at the Air Force Ones. They do fit a little big, which is weird for Nike because usually Nike I find fits smaller, but in the Air Force Ones they fit a bit bigger. So these are a little roomy on me. These cost, I think, about I want to say 50 Canadian, that is, something like that. Of course, Air Force Ones come in many different colorways and collabs and everything, and can range in price greatly. But I like the classic white. They have the mid-rise and the high top. I don't love those. They have the strap. I like the classic low. I just think it's more versatile. It goes with everything, right? I mean, the strapped up high top sometimes can look really cool with skinny jeans or something like that. But I got these just because they're gonna go with everything. I'm probably gonna switch out these laces or get them a little looser. They look kind of nerdy how I have them right now. Classic Forces, you wanna get them. If you're into sneakers or you just want a super versatile sneaker that's gonna look stylish and great with pretty much any outfit, get the Air Force Ones. They're just awesome. I mean, let me get them on now. I'll give them a little runway moment here for you guys, and let's see. Big boy stomping in my Air Force. I don't know, guys. Hope you enjoyed my review or video on the Forces here. Stay tuned for lots more. I do fitness videos, motivational videos, healthy cooking videos, and of course, shoe review videos. So make sure you subscribe to find out when I put out a new one. Now don't nothing get the hype on first sight like white on whites. Them 3/4, them lows, they all tight. The only problem, they only good for one night, because once you scuff them, you beep up your whole night.
Give me 2 purrs, I want 2 purrs. Stomping in my Air Force One.